If you're looking to import and export data from Top Echelon, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps for getting the most out of Top Echelon's data import and export features, perfect for users new to the software. Stick around till the end, because I'll also tell you about an exclusive offer, where you can try out the software for free with extended bonuses. First, let's dive into importing your data into Top Echelon. The process is simple, but it's important to follow these steps to ensure your data is organized correctly. To start, navigate to the import section within the software. You'll want to select the file you wish to import, whether it's a CSV or Excel file, since these formats are widely accepted. When you upload the file, Top Echelon will map your fields, like candidate names, job orders, and contact details, ensuring everything is correctly aligned with their system. If you don't get it right the first time, don't worry. There's an option to correct the field mappings before confirming the import. This ensures no data is lost in translation. Once you're happy with the field mappings, click Import and give the software a moment to process the data. Depending on the size of the file, this can take a minute or two. But once it's done, you'll have all your records neatly stored within the system, ready for you to search, manage, and work with efficiently. Now, let's shift gears and talk about exporting data. Exporting from Top Echelon is just as straightforward. Simply go to the Export section in the main menu, and you'll be presented with the option to export your data in either CSV or Excel format. You can choose from a variety of filters to narrow down what data you want to export, whether it's specific candidates, clients, or job orders. Once you've set the filters, hit Export, and your file will be ready to download within seconds. It's worth noting that exporting data is a great way to back up your records or transfer information to other systems. Whether you need it for analysis, reporting, or moving data into another CRM, Top Echelon makes it painless. Just ensure that when you're exporting sensitive information, you're following best practices for data security. As simple as these tasks are, it's easy to overlook the power of Top Echelon's import-export capabilities. These features not only save you time, but also help you keep your recruitment process streamlined and organized. Importing and exporting data isn't just about moving information around, it's about creating a seamless workflow so you can focus on what matters most, building your client base and connecting with candidates. If you're just getting started with Top Echelon, I strongly recommend using the software for free from the first link below. By using this link, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial. This will give you ample time to explore the software's full capabilities and really get a feel for how it can elevate your recruiting efforts. Don't miss out on this opportunity to leverage Top Echelon to its fullest potential. Remember, importing and exporting data from Top Echelon is just one of the many tools you can utilize to streamline your recruiting workflow. With a solid understanding of how these features work, you'll be able to maximize your efficiency and start working smarter, not harder. So go ahead, take advantage of the free trial and see how Top Echelon can transform your business.